In this video, how to make an icon move in a zigzag pattern in Camtasia. Typically, it can be done using a custom animation. To create the zigzag path, move the playhead to a point later in time. While the custom animation is selected, press Shift-A to split the animation. Then move the icon in the canvas to a new position where you want the first zig of your zigzag. Now, repeat this process to create more movement keyframes. As you keep adding keyframes by moving the playhead and adjusting the icon's position, you'll create a zigzagging motion. If the movement looks too sharp, you can adjust the easing of the movement by right-clicking on the custom animation arrow and changing the easing option to linear to make the motion more fluid. You can configure the default easing option to linear for feature animation. If the path is a curve, you can use the motion path effect to create a perfect icon movement. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.